This chart can truly change your life if you use it correctly. So let's check it out. It's showing where crypto adoption is versus the internet adoption. So crypto is the dotted line right there. You can see we're right around where the internet was in 1999. Guys, what would have happened if you had invested in Amazon or some other revolutionary internet assets back here? Well, the internet took off, the assets took off. You could have 100 to 400x'd your money pretty easily by just buying and holding over a 10 to 20 term period. So that's life-changing returns by investing in revolutionary technology. Blockchain is just as revolutionary as the internet. Silicon Valley, Wall Street, they're all dumping money into it, investing into it as heavily as they did the internet, because there is some massive potential here. And so yes, it's absolutely scary in the short term. Who knows what's gonna happen? People are afraid. There's rising interest rates. There's out of control inflation. I'll talk you through some hedging strategies if you're interested in kind of how to hedge your portfolio against this. But let's look at where we're at right now, because it seems like we're oversold. If you look at this metric, which back tested, shows that whenever this metric at the bottom, which is complicated, whenever it hit this yellow line, it was a good buying opportunity because Bitcoin was oversold. So this is the price of Bitcoin charted over this metric, right? And so you can see we just hit that yellow level. We're probably going even further, which means we're gonna get even more oversold. I absolutely love buying things when they're extremely oversold because they bounce back viciously, guys. And what happens when Bitcoin bounces back? All the other cryptos follow and they outperform Bitcoin. So let's talk about some of these high quality assets and some developments. First of all, this is huge. Guys, Fidelity just partnered up with Decentraland. They just bought a plot of land in Decentraland and they're building out an experience. Now, Fidelity is a multi-billion-dollar financial institution, just like JP Morgan, who also bought up land in Decentraland. And so big corporations are making partnerships with Decentraland, which is a digital metaverse. That's just one big development, guys. This one is absolutely mind-blowingly huge. Stripe to let clients make payments in USDC stablecoin via Polygon, starting with Twitter. So Polygon is a blockchain layer 2 running on Ethereum. Stripe is one of the biggest credit card payment providers in the entire world. If you guys haven't heard of it, you definitely have used it before. And so they're gonna use Polygon, which is the Matic token. Absolutely game-changing. That is one of the biggest partnerships a blockchain could ever ask for, guys. And speaking of other blockchains, because there's so many, you have to diversify. You can't trust one team to ever do the right thing, right? Check out what Algorand, which is another blockchain, just did in Times Square. They literally lit up the entire Times Square green, okay? So like that's some serious marketing muscle. They've raised billions of dollars.